In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format cells as percentages in Google Sheets and adjust decimal places. If you work with data like conversion rates, completion percentages, or growth rates, formatting values as percentages makes your sheet clearer and more professional. The great part is that Google Sheets handles the formatting for you, so you control how the numbers look without changing your underlying data. Start by opening Google Sheets and selecting the cells you want to format. You can click and drag across a range, select an entire column or row by clicking its header, or hold the modifier key to select multiple areas if needed. Be deliberate about your selection so you only format the numbers that should display as percentages. It's also fine to include cells with formulas. This process affects how results are displayed, not the logic of your calculations. Next, go to the top toolbar and click the Format menu. From the drop-down, hover over Number, then choose Percent. As soon as you select Percent, Google Sheets will display the selected values with a percent sign. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. If a cell contains 0.2, it will show as 20%, 1 becomes 100%. The value itself isn't multiplied, only the display changes to a percentage scale. If you ever see something like 1500% when you expected 15%, it likely means the underlying value is 15 rather than 0.15. That's a sign to review the data entry, not the formatting. With the cells now in percentage format, you can fine-tune the display to show more or fewer decimal places. In the main toolbar, look for the Increase Decimal and Decrease Decimal buttons. Click Increase Decimal to show additional digits, which is useful when small differences matter. Click Decrease Decimal to round and simplify the view, which is great for dashboards and summaries. This rounding is visual. It doesn't change the actual value used in formulas. Choose a consistent number of decimal places across related data so your sheet is easy to read. Many teams prefer 0 to 2 decimals for most percentages, and perhaps more when precision is critical. That's all there is to it. You opened your sheet, selected the cells, applied percent from Format Number, and adjusted the decimals from the toolbar. With these simple steps, your data communicates more clearly, your calculations remain intact, and your presentation looks polished. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working smarter in Google Sheets.